What's up, YouTube? Well, today is January 28th, 2015, day after the Northeast blizzard. Just want to show you what it looks like here in Norwich. We got 2 foot of snow, official. See how high it is going to the front walkway. My dad came and plowed the driveway yesterday morning. My car had a lot of snow on it, but I got that cleared off yesterday. Roads aren't too bad now. Well, we did have a travel ban, but that was lifted yesterday at 2 in the afternoon. It was very light snow. I shoveled off the front walk here a little bit. I shoveled partially the breezeway so I could get to the grill and also get into the garage, because on Monday my dad dropped off about a cord of wood here, and I'm keeping the wood stove going. So I took about 2 hours on Monday afternoon and tossed all this wood into the garage. It'll get stacked up at a later date. Front garage is a complete mess right now, because we were just moving stuff, so I get the wood in the garage. And that's about it. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.